Welcome to this new video cast today about the MySQL shell, and I will show you a new script I've written to see what are the transactions or the statements in one transaction that is running. This is very useful when you have a very large history list length amount. Like you can see here, history list length goes up and down, which is completely normal because this is how it works with the MVCC of InnoDB. But when it's very large, performance issue can happen. So let's have a look here. We're gonna start one transaction, make some changes. We have a sysbench work log also running at the same time in parallel, and we're gonna see what's going on. So first we're gonna enter this some records, but these are only 3 records, so nothing very complicated and nothing very big. So the history list length won't be these are just some inserts. So it won't be a big issue with the OLTP running in background. So we can see it goes up and down like it's expected to be. And this is not a performance issue for InnoDB. Now we can see what's going on. Let's have a look at the shell script. And it's get running statement. It gives us all the MySQL thread ID running now, and it gives us by default the longest one, and we can see this bench running, and we saw in the result what are the statements. We can see here the statement we have. It max by 10 by default, but you can increase that value if you want. So you can see history list length goes up and down as expected. Still doesn't go up too high. Why? Because we haven't checked a lot of rows yet. But let's make another statement here, and I will just do a simple select count, which is quite common, on my table. And what will happen here when we do that, so we see 10,000 records, we can see that the history list length immediately starts growing, because we need to have this view of the world like it was why I did the select count. So all the changes that's happening in the background are increasing the history list length. And we can see here that we have a transaction running for more than 1 minute, and these are the statements in it. When I do a commit or rollback, so when I finish this transaction, the history list length will start decreasing. You can see that it was higher, and now it's already low. Purge had happened, and all that was possible. So this small shell script, it's very useful to find when you have a very large history list length. What was this, or what are transactions that are open too long and that create this performance issue? And you can identify it, seeing which user for a long time, but also what were the latest statement in that transaction. If you increase the performance schema event statement history size globally, but you need a restart, you can increase the amount of statement you will see in that transaction. So we can see here. So it's very useful. See again, I did another transaction, and we can see the history list length keep growing. And when you execute this shell, you can see which query is running and for how long it is running. So when you stop it, we can check again here. Yeah, it takes some time to slow down. It's still increasing because it's doing the rollback. Let's see here. Yeah, the query was interrupted, so we should see going down. And you see the history length is going down. So it's very useful for a DBA to identify that. And had a case where somebody was starting his machine in the morning. He had background, let's say, application that was doing a transaction and some select, and then the history length was growing crazy until 5 p.m. when he was closing his laptop, and all the production had a very big issue due to that. So thank you for following. I hope you enjoyed the MySQL shell, and I hope you are enjoying this plugin too. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.